Okay. I did some grinding, leveled up weapons, got the gold bolts. So let's go on with the story. Boop. We're in Kalibo 3. And what was I gonna say?
In order to defeat Sherman's wreck, Hero needed something that is only found on Kalibo, a Gadgetron Hollow Guard.
Hollow guys. Oh, and I got new skins.
It appears the Blarg have invaded this sector. They must be after the Gadgetron weapon stockpiles.
The Sheeeepinator.
Attention Gadgetron employees. We are currently in the midst of
Oh, and I changed the skins of this to orbs.
at our factory. All non-essential personnel are to vacate the building immediately.
Let's try it.
With the employees-
Sheeeepinator. Die. Whoa. Sheeeepinator. Oh shit, this might kill me. Oh. Die sheep. Die sheep.
Incoming dropship.
Where? Oh. 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 What should I use? Dead. Dead. Not dead. Sheeeepinator. Yes, I do. Yeah.
I believe those gears control the bridge.
Let's see what we got on the Sheeeepinator. Sheep. Ooh.
Well, let's see if we can get them moving.
I found a good place to kind of cheat and get like a shit ton of money and level ups. Takes a while, but where should I go? I can't go in there. I can't go this way. Well, this way it is.
Perhaps my thruster pad can assist us. Look at that rail. I wonder where it leads.
Oh, Yeah, let's go. Epic music. Epic music.
Just received a complaint that someone has eaten my assistant Diane's tuna fish sandwich.
What?
Sandwich that was clearly labeled and left in the employee's fridge. Today's invasion does not excuse poor manners.
Yeah, it does. If anything, that should be the main reason he got poor manners. Oh, you son of a bitch! I jumped. Kind of. What? 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 Wall? 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 Hey-y'all. That's all I'm gonna do. Whoa.
Use your Omni Wrench.
Got it.
Just wanted to take
Why am I going this way?
recognize our employees
Who is it?
A good pat on the back to Gelford Sprenackle. Gelford is
Aw, Sprenackle's a good guy.
dead.
I have no clue who Sprenackle is, but...
I've just been told Gelford
Oh,
was
yeah.
taken prisoner by the Blarg and likely sent to one of their work camps. So,
Ugh.
we'll have a new
Oh, wait, whoa. Whoa!
just a moment.
I should have turned. Shit. I forgot to turn. I forgot to turn. Hop. Hop.
Ratchet, I believe we are going in circles. Perhaps to a new rail?
I pressed it. I went like that and I pressed it. But no. No one wants to do it for me. Almost got shot. You see that? Almost got shot.
Ratchet, I believe we are going in circles.
There we go.
We should switch to a new rail.
I just did. Oh. Oh. Doing fine. Wrong way. Oh, shit.
Just had to take care of a few things first.
Copy that. Good luck.
Yay. I did it. And a bonk. Huh.
Barrier disabled.
Gotcha, bitch. Huh. Hey. Random grunting for no reason? Oh, that's actual grunting. There we go. Huh. Woo! 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 And made it. Hello. Thank you for all the money.
Welcome to the Map-O-Matic room. The Map-O-Matic was designed to help galactic explorers discover local items and points of interest.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Well then, I might use that off screen as well. Because why the fuck not?
I could really use that.
But then I got the Sheeeepinator. Why would I need anything other than the Sheeeepinator? I hear sheep. Oh, I see sheep. What's this way? Oh no, that's probably way back. Sheepos! Continue.
Chamber has been closed.
Whoa.
To rampage
I can blow you the fuck up!
your own risk.
Whoa. Looks like the Blarg tried breaking in and got sheepinated. Excuse
That-
me, fellas.
I like that actually. That idea is actually pretty cool to me. Okay, I can get another one. See, I've been getting the shit. I'm 73% done. Is that one closer to being done? No, so I'll do this. I do love these worlds. Not my favorite, but I really do like them. They're different, but then again, they do remind you of, like, how can I say it? Star Wars. Then you got Star Trek. Then you got fucking... You got so many space things, future shit, that's basically...
There's an assault going on.
How can I say it? It's all the same.
I believe those gears control the bridge.
Well, let's see if we can get them moving.
That's all I can say, actually.
Good work, Ratchet. The thruster pack is quite a handy device.
Okay, let's upgrade the Sheeeepinator. The length. Because if there's more range, the better it is. Ha 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 ha.
Covers injuries sustained during the assault. The answer is maybe.
Maybe.
Volunteer detected in
What?
grenade test lab.
What?
Initiating death trial.
Death trial.
Just keep shooting. Just keep shooting. Just keep shooting. Keep shooting.
Test complete.
Oh. Fucking assholes. Wait, what? That's weird. Fucking assholes.
Security box to the warmonger testing area. Our stockpile must not fall into block hands.
Whoa. Sorry. Kinda had to. I saw him. Hey, hey. Yay! Who are they fighting against? I love this gun. I'm leveling this gun all the way up.
Lock down everything. Activate all security protocols.
It's because I don't need...
Friday.
What makes the gun so good is that you don't need bullshit. You just need to keep shooting. Oh, yeah. Turn him into a sheep. Fuck you. Oh, that don't work. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna be upgrading a lot of this gun.
Volunteer detected in pyrocitor room.
What?
Annihilation.
What do you mean? I got me a Sheeeepinator.
Test complete.
See?
The Blarg have not procured any of Gadgetron's more powerful weapons.
Come on, turn into a sheep. Turn into a sheep. 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 Turn into a sheep. Oh. Ah. Yeah, you guys are harder to deal with. So give me your shit. Thank you. Yay! Dude, I want the Zircon family. That'd be nice. No. Oh! You're gonna get Sheeeepinated. Cause I said so!
Those gears. We should be able to rotate this room.
Let us see. Sheeeepinator. Might as well get these three. I don't care about that. Then let us start getting that. Sheeeepination. Oh. Oh no, it's just so much fun. What? What? What do you want me to do here? Just keep going? Ah, you do. Sheep, sheep, sheep. I see you all down there. No! Sheeeepination. Man, that was fun. Nope, won't work. Let me try something. Move, sheep! There we go. Hiya! Give me this. Sheeeepinator! Let's go get those fuckers.
It looks like our attempts to call the authorities has been met with absolutely ignorance.
I can just keep aiming. Yeah. What are you guys gonna... Huh? What?
Helpless to do anything about it.
I got my confused mumbles too. Oh, not another one.
Volunteer detected in fusion grenade test lab. Initiating death trial.
Well, should be easy to bleep these guys.
Ratchet.
Oh, that was... Yeah, that was bad on your account. You don't see no one. Shit. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. Back to the Sheeeepinator. Ah, shit. Too much shit's happening. I can't fucking see. Yes, I do.
More of them.
Turn into a sheep. Turn into a sheep. I'm gonna keep shooting you until you turn into a sheep. Motherfucker.
Okay, that's the last of the blarg.
I love that. That's perfect. So much money in one fucking level. They want you to beat this.
That's a whole
More Raritanium. So I got that one. Let's try the Deplanetizer. Okay. Do.
Volunteer detected in Fluffy Bunny Room. Prepare to play with adorable bunny rabbits.
That doesn't sound so bad.
Correction. The Fluffy Bunny Room has been relocated to Sector 12, initiating death and dismemberment protocol.
What?
Of course.
Die! 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 Oh, I love this gun. Oh gosh. Oh, damn! I can't see!
Complete. Thank you for participating in the Gadgetron weapon test. Your
I...
send-off coupon will be mailed to your home within 5 to 7 years.
Well, now that that nightmare is over, let's find that hoverboard course. We have to be close to it now.
That was weird. Groovatron! Oh. I've been completing sets this whole fucking time.
Step into my office.
I don't wanna, but okay.
I don't believe it. Ratchet and Clank here. Gadgetron. The name's Wendell Lucas. The CEO
Soda!
of the company.
Huge fan of your weapons, Mr. Loomis. Listen, Mike and I are on a mission to save the galaxy, and we need one of your holo guises.
I'm afraid we're out of that product. Those darn blarg have been raiding our stockpiles. Minor security issue. Certainly nothing to make public. We still have the prototype, but it's now a prize in a hoverboard competition.
Son of a bitch.
Still accepting new competitors?
Of course, but as you can see, we're having a little bit of a flood problem. The blarg bombed our dam this morning. I don't suppose you have a hydro displacer, do you?
Surprisingly, I do. I do. What's in there? I want to go in there. Really? Really? Like, no, I'm serious. Really?
Good news. I have just been notified that our security drones have cleared the hoverboard course.
Music, 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 music. What the fuck was that?
Ready? Set, go!
Get all the boxes.
Wow! Ratchet pulls a trick and the crowd goes crazy! Don't forget, the winner gets our most valuable product, a prototype holo guide. Ratchet moves into second place.
And in 1 second. I'm in third again. What? Oh, come on.
Ratchet takes a shortcut. Ratchet takes the lead.
Don't fucking way I can get past these guys.
Look at that trick. Huh?
Oh no, I see the shortcuts now. Son of a bitch.
Ratchet is now falling behind.
I see the shortcuts.
like to give you this holo, guys, but you gotta win first.
I will win. Like, now.
Ratchet takes the lead.
No!
That's going to send Ratchet back.
And it did. Oh, no, it didn't.
Ratchet is now falling behind.
I'm not. Shut up.
Ratchet takes the lead.
I'm gonna lose.
This kid got fucked.
I did it! Strangely, I did it.
Ratchet wins.
Can you give it to me?
You did it! Congratulations!
Oh,
Here's your holo guy.
I'll do the rest of that off the fucking line, because that thing is stupid.
Your thoughts on the social medias? The kids love their social medias. Hashtag Gadgetron.
Hashtag shut the fuck up. Oh.
Alaris, come in. We've got the holo guys.
Radical!
Head back to your ship. I'm just putting the final touches on our assault plan. I'll brief you when you're there.
We qualify for the next cup race.
Of course we are, but I'm not doing the shit. Tech hard. What should I do now? I was doing, this one.
Way to go.
Yeah!
Complete set.
Okay, there it is.
Wanna upgrade your Sheeeepinator? Be my guest.
Fuck yeah, I want to upgrade my fucking Sheeeepinator.
That's how you make a great weapon even better.
Yeah. Probably one of the best weapons out there. Yeah. Reinforced keratin. What does that do? I don't fucking care. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's my... Oh, okay. Like, what the fuck? When the fuck did I get that? No, what I'm supposed to do to make it easier is I gotta do all the shortcuts. Oh. Okay.
Return to the ship and contact Alaris.
Look, I'm tired. Let me just slowly do this. Yeah. This is nice. Okay, let's go. Hey. Hi. 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 The only good thing that's gonna come out of playing this, I mean, doing the races, is getting a Rhino card, which honestly, I'll try and do offline.
All right, Rangers. I think I have a plan for how to take down the Deplanetizer once and for all. By energizing
Yes.
the holo guys Ratchet and Clank acquired from Gadgetron, they'll actually be able to become Captain Quark for a short period of time. While in disguise, they should be able to get past the Deplanetizer's primary shields.
Greetings, citizen. I'm just here to use your weight room.
You're clear, Captain.
From there, they'll need to access the Deplanetizer's Starcracker room. The Deplanetizer uses a gravity stabilizer to position itself over its target. By extracting the stabilizer, the Deplanetizer will drift off from its target and become vulnerable to our attack. Once Ratchet and Clank give the word, we'll activate our new Mad Boosters, flip the Deplanetizer, and save the galaxy!
Yay!
We're on our way.
Next time!
Ready to fly, just need some coordinates.
Yes, next time. I'll see you all next time. Thank you all for watching. Next time may be the finale. Hopefully. See you all next time.